बेहद की परम शांति. Welcome to our channel Bapuji Dishrat by Patel. Bapuji is explaining when does soul have soul knowledge. Param Shanti. After taking so many births, soul will get the knowledge of soul. To have soul knowledge, soul will do devotion for numerous births. After doing devotion for numerous births, one can get soul knowledge. You are a soul, not a body. This is a common thing. Even in path of devotion also they believes in this. But experiencing soul consciousness, as devotee says, it has a Chaitanya Shakti, conscious power. To experience soul consciousness, one should be introverted, antarmukhi sadasukhi. That is, turning the attention inwardly brings lasting happiness. One should have the real knowledge of soul, like where do soul resides. In path of devotion, there are different opinions that soul resides in heart and somewhere else. Some tries to open their third eye to experience soul consciousness. But here also they talk only about third eye, but not about soul. In reality, there is soul and you should search for it. And to experience soul consciousness, one should remove the layers upon the soul. For that, one should become introverted. How you can remove the layers upon the soul? Soul turned to Jiv, human, and became extroverted. There are so many layers upon the soul. Layers means burden of karmas, accountancy of karmas. To take off those layers, which type of penance does a soul has to do? Can it experience soul consciousness within a second? The fruit of devotion is divine knowledge. In knowledge, you will come to know that you are a soul and it connects with Supreme Soul. Soul can't experience soul consciousness until soul didn't recognize Supreme Soul and didn't have connection, means yoga, with Supreme Soul in correct way or in correct method. To experience soul consciousness, one should be introverted and should have silence with mind. Always one should lose oneself in Supreme Soul and should lead a life of Karma Yogi. If you became extroverted, even though on having the knowledge of soul, that I am a soul, you can't connect with Supreme Soul if you are extroverted. That's why in path of devotion they says antarmukhi sadasukhi. Introverted means experiencing soul consciousness, visualizing soul. Some people says that search for mind and do as it says. But there is a lot of difference between mind and soul. People says conscious power will evident for a second and you will find out yourself within second. This is just only a thing to say. But searching for conscious power, that is Chaitanya Shakti, is nothing but discovering yourself. This is ocean of illusion. Human lost themselves in this illusion. That from where I have came, why do I came? I always tells you search for yourself. Experiencing soul consciousness is discovering yourself. Experiencing soul consciousness is very hard. It can't happen within second. But if one had a very deep connection with Almighty, then Almighty can project rays on the soul and can remove soul's layers within second. Almighty at once can liberate soul from karmic bondages and can make soul experience soul consciousness. It is in the hand of Almighty, not in hands of soul. To achieve that stage, soul should have very lovely stage with Almighty, should have a lot of love towards Almighty and should have capacity to take power from Almighty. Love towards Almighty is power. First have the knowledge about Almighty and connect with Powerhouse and take power from Him. People use it to say that there is soul inside. One should discover it. Remove the layers upon the soul. Only with meditative power one can remove the layers. Means one can burn bad karmas. That's why antarmukhi sadasukhi. That is, one who looks within is always peaceful. Param Shanti.